Hi everyone, I am Mahadev Good, Department Lecturer, Department Botany in Koteshwara College, Kottur. Yes, after the lockdown, the remaining practical contents. One is photographs from genetic engineering. Today we start. Yes, in photographs from genetic engineering, after the development of genetic engineering, so many revolutions are occurs. One is main revolution in agricultural field, golden rice. Yes, you are already known about golden rice. A rice is belongs to Rhiza sativa. Yes, it is a scientific name Rhiza sativa. It is a variety. Golden rice is a variety of Rhiza sativa rice produced from genetic engineering. It is one of the major factors that is produced by this plant is produced by using genetic engineering. The mutant rice plant, as in mutant rice plants to produce carotenoids. Okay, it's carotenoids. Golden rice it produces the carotenoids. In this golden rice, presence of carotenoids and organic pigments, and specifically beta carotene is presence of beta carotene in the endosperm. Okay, in the endosperm, beta carotene is present. Very important in golden rice, beta carotene. Yes, the carotenoids, presence of carotenoids in golden rice. And another one, the edible part of the golden rice is an endosperm. In this endosperm, 3 beta carotene pigments are present. Okay, it's a rich containing carotenoids in. Next, another one, make golden rice accessibly locality, free of the charge to farmers who are able to grow, save, consume, replant and locally sell golden rice. Okay, it is one of the development of the golden rice in the field. Next, another one, it is stored in 1982 by Inno Patriarchs. Okay, and of the Institute of Plant Sciences. Okay, it is stored in 1982. And another one, the golden rice different from its parental style by the addition of 3 beta carotene genes. Okay, it's one of the difference from 3 beta carotenes. Okay, addition of carotene genes. Next, another one, the symptoms of vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency include night blindness. Okay, broadly known about deficiency of vitamin A. It causes night blindness, anemia, and detritus. Okay, these as in the genetic engineering, another one plant is the BT cotton. As BT cotton, it is one of the transgenic plant. Okay, it's a transgenic plant. These transgenic plants developed for the use of controlling the resistance of the bollworms. Right? Yes, it is one of the transgenic plants after the developing of genetic engineering, introducing the bacteria into the cotton. Okay, into the cotton plant like BT2. Okay, it is one of the bacteria is introduced, Bacillus thuringiensis, and another one is control the bollworms. Okay, it's a bollworm. It's a resistance. As it is BT cotton is the insect resistance transgenic plants. It's control the bollworm. It's prevent the bollworm. BT cotton was created by the genetic engineering and alternating the genome to express the microbial proteins from bacteria like Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, next, most strains of bacteria is very toxic in nature, and another one, this toxicity of bacteria, okay, toxicity of bacteria like larvae, lepidodendrons, and larvae. Okay, and another one, the cryogens. Okay, it is very important after the introducing of BT into the cotton. Next, another one, the ball bacteria. Okay, the ball bacterium. BT cotton from BT cotton. Cryogens means crystal genes. Okay, these genes, cryogens, are introducing into the plants, other plants, because it's controlling. Okay, cryocrystals or crystals or crystal proteins are control the mosquitoes and other worms like armyworms and larvae and beetles, okay, butterflies and beetleflies. Okay, next another one, other bloodworms. It's controlled by protein crystals. Okay, it is our helpful for the developing of genetic engineer. After the development, cry genes are isolated and is transferred into the other plants. Okay, the isolation of cry genes are cry proteins. These cry proteins cry second A and cry A second AB and cry third AB. Okay, these are the one of the crystals of proteins. Okay, introducing into the other. Process from plant breeding, as you already know about plant breeding in your theory classes, as remaining in one of the practical, the plant breeding technology. After the development of plant breeding technology, you obtaining potato plant. As this tomato plant obtained by the two similar species like potato and tomato and potato combination, we using two plants. These plants, the tomato is a grafted plant that is produced by grafting together a tomato plant and potato plant, both of which are members of the Solanaceae, as these plants belongs to the Solanaceae family. Cherry tomato grows on upward and nothing but a shoot region, as upward or shoot regions. Okay, it is a plant. In this plant, in the ground, root region, the potatoes are developed. Okay, these are the potato. Okay, next another one in the upper shoot system or upper system, it is developing a cherry tomatoes. Tomato fruits are developed. Okay, is a grafted plant. Okay, next another one. The upper part of the crop becomes the top of the plant and produces tomatoes. Well, the lowest lower section, nothing but it's in the root section, it produces potato. It is this method is grafting is a common practice for garden which do not have space to work in lower area. This graft yield with much than two plants. Okay, it's a grafted much than two plants growing separate. Graft is the best done with two healthy plants. Okay, they both healthy plants taken both healthy plants that have been has a new technology. So they have a new technology is developed. Okay, to make a food production of effectively food production. Okay, it is an important for plant breeding. Plant breeding, it is helpful for the developing of food production, high rich food production. Next, another one, the maximize the amount of crop that can be produced on a piece of plants. Okay, of a small urban environment like an biocan. Okay. Next, another buoyancy. This is a significant impact on developing countries. Okay, it's a significance of developing countries, and it's an important for labors. Okay, it's an important for less number of labors, and another one is in addition the grafting can improve the resistance to bacteria, virus and fungi, and attract a more diverse group of pollination. Okay, these